Apple Pay service is down and there is a fund transfer issue, payment issue, or application problem. Today the application is not working. Apple Pay application is not working or the wallet service are currently down. With an error you may be see the wallet error unable to connect to wallet service. Try again later. Issue or Apple Pay may not be working properly. How to fix it that we are going to tell you here. First of all, let me tell you that this problem is not only happening to you. Many people are facing the same issue. Let me show you the live status. We have open your down detector, and as you can see the application is down today, and many users are reporting to fix it issue. So live down detector, multiple users are reporting Apple page down today. So guys, tell you a simple method. Go to the Play Store and search Apple Pay or update this application. So application was updated or the refresh. After that log in again and the problem will be fixed. It still not fixed, then you should be wait for some time because server R is down. The issue is from the company side, so you should wait a little and we will be fixed easily. Okay.